Losing weight happens to be the most difficult or most the hardest thing to do, especially after giving birth. But having said that, when you put your mind into it, it is all possible. And that is why today I have one of the easiest recipe to make, which is rich in vitamins, protein, and healthy carbs. I'll also show you how I lost 2 kgs in just 1 week in this video. So without wasting a lot of time, let us jump into it. And I will start with corn. That is our healthy carbs today. Season it and put it in oven about 10 to 12 minutes. So as we wait for our corns to be ready, which is our healthy carbs this week, let me prepare my vitamin C and vitamin K. So if you can't hear me clearly, kindly bear with my voice. Last week I had lost my voice, but I thank God that it's coming back now. My tonsils were hurting so much, but now I can say I am good. So kindly bear with me if my voice is kind of breaking or you can't hear me clearly, but hoping that you can get what I am saying. So my vitamin C today, I am working with cabbage, which is rich in vitamins, and one of the vitamins, it's vitamin C, and cabbage also helps you with detoxifying detoxifying functions of liver. So then for our vitamin K, we will go with carrots. Carrots are very rich in vitamin K. Carrots also helps to lower your cholesterol level and improves eye health. So we are going to to mix this and steam in 2 to 3 minutes. So for steaming our cabbage, we will go in with the butter and then we will put our mixture. We'll also add some salt, and also some black pepper and some onion salt and some Maggi. You can put the spices that you like. These are one of those my favorite spices in the house, so that's why these are the spices that I'm using. You can use what you like. We don't want the cabbage to overcook, so we will just we will not leave it as in kufunika and then we come back. No, we will just koroga koroga, and then after 2 minutes our cabbage is done. And as you can see, cabbage yetu imeiva vizuri sana. So we go to the next one. Um, I know you are wondering why do I have those black things in the containers and I did not show you. When I tried to look for the video, I lost that footage. But these are black beans. Ama ndio tunasema ni njahi. Not cooked them now. These are for the last night. So since I knew very well I'm going to make this video, I did a bit lot of it. So protein today is plant-based protein, which is black beans, that is njahe. I don't know what you call them in your native language. Let me know in the comment below. Ours is njahe. I come from central Kenya, so yeah. And jahes are very good because they help you to manage sugar, blood pressure, and because it is very heavy, yani ni uzito sana, it stays longer in the body ama kwa tumbo, which makes it vital in weight loss journey because you will not like utasikia njaa after every 1 hour. It stays longer in the body. So, and our corns are ready, so we will just put continue adding them. Well, and I'm telling you, we almost burned our counter because of putting the tray on the counter without a cloth down there. But anyway, haijachomeka. So we are going to put our corns. As you can see, our corns zimeiva vizuri vizuri sana. So yeah, so this is our healthy carb. So we are putting our corns in our container, and if you would like these containers, I'll put in the description box. I bought them on Amazon. They are very economical, they are very nice. They are it is glass, and you can microwave them. By the way, they are very nice. And with these ones, the way they are partitions, you can tell exactly what you're putting in your stomach, if you're getting enough protein, if you're getting enough carbohydrates, and enough vitamins. Last week, I did a video that helped me lose 2 kgs in 1 week. I did not expect such a change, but it worked, you guys. If you have not watched that video, I'll link it in the description below, and then you can link it somewhere here, and then you can watch it once you finish watching this one. Subscribe to this channel if you have not yet subscribed, and if this is kind of content like you like, just tell me in the comment section, and also consider subscribing to this channel. I will let you know how this ranch recipe will work with me in the next video, in terms of how many kgs or how many grams that I will lose with this one. So thank you so much for watching. God bless you. I love you, and I love you so deeply. See you on the next one.